Hi, I'm Martin Taylor, Martin S. Taylor to give me my full professional billing, and for the past 40 years I've been doing a presentation called Hypnotism Without Hypnosis, whereby I take volunteers from the audience and show how I can produce hypnotic phenomena without putting them to any sleep or trance or hypnotizing them in any way. Indeed, I don't believe that hypnosis exists in the sense that it's commonly perceived. Last year I gave a talk at the Hypnosis Convention explaining this philosophy and giving some tips for people who want to present it in an entertaining way. This year I'm going to take a more practical approach, and I'm going to be showing a video of one of my shows and kind of annotating it by pausing it in certain places, stopping to explain why I'm saying things, why I'm doing things in a certain way, to get the best effects, to get the most entertainment from my subjects. It should be a lot of fun, and I hope to see you there.